y'all, what's good? It's your girl Tay, and I am back on the road. No, I'm not doing any Instacart, DoorDash, and any of that today. I am actually headed to the Dollar Tree. I wanted to do a Dollar Tree store haul with you guys and just bring you along. So definitely make sure you smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, plus push your post notification bell button so that way anytime I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So I'm not going to bore you guys with talking about nonsense. I'm just going to chime back in as soon as I get to the store. All right, y'all, so we are here. Hopefully you can hear me. I am in the Dollar Tree store with my kids shopping. So far, I have only picked up batteries. Hopefully y'all can hear me though. I don't want to talk too loud. I have people looking at me like I'm crazy. But I'm going to flip this camera around. What? You want to be seen? Say hi. All right, so yeah, I am going to start my shopping process. Yeah, well, this doesn't really look like it sticks. This isn't peel and stick. I'm looking for peel and stick, so I'm looking at this, but this doesn't really look like it's going to stick. It's just like a mat. Is this peel and stick? Show floor, easy to apply and remove. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that. But anyways, this is what I'm looking at over here. Ooh, they've got silverware, which I need. Because for some reason, my children throw my spoons and stuff in the trash can. There's only 2 in here. I think I'm gonna get some of these. Yeah, get some larger ones too. Yeah. You thought they came with the house? You thought spoons come with the house? Yeah. No, not at all. They look like this come to the house. No. Alright, you guys, so excuse us, just got some really great kitchen stuff. Once I'm done today, I'll definitely show you guys at home, but now I'm looking for like any storage type containers because underneath my bathrooms is a complete disaster in both of them. It almost kind of still looks like we're moving in. And I hate that look. So I want to see if there are any storage containers, which it looks like we are in the storage aisle now. Let me see, I have a theme, but I'm not quite sure yet what I want to use. Alright, stuff like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, I like those baskets up there at the top. Alright, y'all, let me finish my shopping and get out of here because people are starting to give me the willies staring at me. Hey y'all, I am in the car, so I guess this video is going to end up being more of a vlog rather it being a shopping haul because it was just too difficult. I'm still learning how to vlog and all of that. I know it sounds really, really strange, but it's completely different when you're sitting down at a table and just talking. That's no problem. But when you're actually out and you're moving, you got kids and stuff going on in the background and all that, it's a little bit more difficult, at least for me. But hey, I'm sure to get easier with time. So I ended up getting quite a few things that I didn't expect to get. The only thing about going to the Dollar Tree is that you end up spending more money than you originally planned. I think I had set a budget for myself to try to spend like $10 and I ended up spending $38 getting some things because I'm getting ready to start completely remodeling all the rooms in my in my home, you know, renter friendly stuff. So I'll definitely be posting videos on those projects as I begin doing them. The first thing I want to tackle is actually going to be my kitchen, because even though my kitchen was completely remodeled, I think about a year ago, the floor has quite a bit of scuff marks on it that I can't get up with just regular mopping, and I'm not going to waste my money. I know they're going to clean it when I move out, so I am just going to get some peel and stick options to put on the floor to cover up the scuff marks and to make it look really nice and elegant and up to date. So I'll definitely be posting those videos, like I said, whenever I start those projects. But I am headed home right now so that I can unload, and then once we get there, I will definitely break apart this box and show you guys the things that I was able to find at the Dollar Tree. Change of plans, y'all. So I was headed home, but I have been in the process of redecorating my son's room, because it was originally a studio for his dad where he would go, because he's a music producer, and make his music and stuff like that. But I decided to give my son his own room. It's already going to be his room. He's the only boy that I have, so he needs his own space where he can throw his toys around, because I was tired of damn near busting my behind tripping over his toys in my living room. So the only thing about my house is that it has tile floor everywhere, and I don't like tile floor. I know that's like a new age thing, but when I was growing up, we had carpet, and my grandmother would just have the carpet cleaned every so often. I know for health reasons, a lot of people are like really into tile, but I'm not. I prefer carpet. I'm a walk around barefoot type person, and I just don't like walking on tile nowhere in my house. So I am in this carpet phase right now. So I'm looking at different, oh, this one is nice. Looking at this rug. Lay it out. I like that one. I think that one would go good in the hallway upstairs, because it's got gray, and I already have 2 other gray runners that are in there. So if we put this one in between, this should go good. Yes, I'm okay. So I'm trying to decide, you guys. I'm not sure what I want to get. Like I said, this is it. I know it is. I can tell by how it looks. That one looks really, really, really good. Yeah, I'm not a decorator, you guys. I am creative in other aspects of life. I can do health products. I'm really good when it comes to things like that. Pharmaceuticals. The legal ones, though. Scientific projects. But this type of stuff, this Martha Stewart type stuff, is not really my forte. So I am little by little just looking at videos and trying to see how I want to decorate my house. But they got some pretty good options here at Walmart. I love Walmart, and it's literally right up the street. I could walk here and get everything I need. So me and the little ones, what y'all looking at? I don't know. Nasir, what you looking at? Help me get this runner up, Kiki. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a minute. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am at home. I'm sitting down at my dining room table right now. So I just wanted to go through this box of the stuff that I got. I didn't actually end up getting anything from Walmart. I didn't see a rug that I like, although the rugs were a lot less expensive than the one I was originally looking at from Amazon. They're not as fluffy, and I wanted the rug to be fluffy so that way, you know, my son really likes laying on the floor, and like I said, there's tile in every room. There's absolutely no carpet in my apartment whatsoever. So, yeah. So let me just show you guys the things that I got. I did get these. I got 4 rolls of these contact paper. This is going to be for my kitchen. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it as of yet, but I'm not going to be starting anytime soon because there's still quite a few things that I need to get, like the flooring. And then I found this at the Dollar Tree as well. So I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I'm definitely going to find a spot for this little item in the kitchen somewhere. I'm thinking over there by where that orange picture is. I got 4 of these black, they're just regular black ceramic bowls. I'm trying to put this stuff gently without breaking anything. I also got 2 of these cups. They also have some smaller cups there, but I like these. larger ones. They had ones that came to about I want to say right here. But I like these bigger ones, so I was only able to find 2. I'll go back and check later and see if they have some more on another day, but that's all they had as of right now. And then the rest of the stuff is basically, I got these, you know, as decor towels to hang on my on the little rack on my stove. And then I got some dish drying mats that's gonna go up under my dish drainer. I got 2 of these, and then some regular black plates. I'm not gonna show you guys everything, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I got as of right now. So I guess that concludes this video. Oh, I found this at the Dollar Tree too. This doesn't go with the decor of anything, but you know, I usually shop at the 99-cent store or the Dollar Tree for certain things, and I like bowls like this. This is good for my cakes when I'm making cakes. I like sturdy bowls like this, and it also serves a double purpose if I need to put some food away, which I very rarely put food away in plastic bowls. I always put them in the pots that they're in. But it's still a pretty good bowl that I can use to mix up salad and stuff like that, and it was only 99 cents. So that concludes this video, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm going to be doing quite a few DIY projects in the near future. But on that note, I am going to find a space to put this so that it doesn't get broken up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.